Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high ping and packet loss in Apex Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first couple of methods will be for all of you. If you're using PS4, PS5, Xbox, PC, it really doesn't matter. You need to change these settings in order to get best results, right? So first of all, go to browser, open up browser, then go to myaccounts.ea.com and log into your account. Then be in About Me page, then scroll down a bit until you see regional settings. And on country and region, make sure that your exact country is selected here. And after that, apply changes and look if you're getting better results or not. If you're not getting better results, what I suggest you to do here next is to go to Apex server status and open up probably the first link here and look in your region if the server's ping is not high. Right? So let's say I live in EU West and my ping is, for example, 80. So basically problem is not on my end. I can't do anything about it. So I just need to wait. So look if the problem not on the servers. And if the problem is not on the servers, the next step, what I suggest to do here is to go to internet speed test and test your internet speed. Go to fast.com, test your internet speed. If you're getting good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, limit some devices and restart your router. And always use Ethernet cable if there is a possibility. Next thing, what we need to do here, on search, you just need to write command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and then you need to enter a command, few commands. So first one is ipconfig /flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset, right? And after that, restart your computer. Next thing, what you need to do here, you need to go to settings. Then on settings, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. Also, what you need to do here next is press on network and internet again, advanced network settings, Ethernet, expand this option, basically your internet connection, more adapter options, double click on internet protocol version 4, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, apply the changes and look if the problem persists. Next thing, press Windows and I key, or simply on search you just need to write run, and here you need to write gpedit.msc. Press on that, then on this new window here, you need to look for Windows settings right here. And then what you need to do under the computer configuration, then go to policy-based QoS, right click on it, advanced QoS, make sure DSP marking override is selected, then select control DSCP marking requests, this option here, and select ignored and apply OK. Then again, right click on policy-based QoS, select create new policy, put Apex Legends here, then here put 46, then press next, select only applications with this excluded name, open up client that you got Apex, for me is EA, library, 3 dots, view properties, and then open folder, and then find a apex.exe file. For me is R5 apex.exe. So I just need to rename it and copy the name. Then I can go back to policy here, paste the name here, and then I just need to add an exe.exe. And after that, you just need to hit next. These options are good. Then here, select a TCP and UDP and finish it up. Next thing, what we need to do here, we need to again open folder, copy the path of that particular folder, and then go to virus and threat protection. On virus and threat protection, we need to go to as you can see here, we need to wait, manage settings, then exclusions, and then you just need to wait for a couple of seconds, add exclusion folder, and then you just need to paste that particular folder, and then select folder right here. Then go to Windows Defender Firewall. On Windows Defender Firewall, select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, allow another app, browse, paste the path again, and then add the exe file here. and then add. If you're getting this error, this means Apex Legends is already on the list, so you don't need to worry about it. If you're not getting error, this means that Apex Legends is added to Firewall. And that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.